Hey guys, it's Danielle. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another thrift store makeover video. Starting with this project here, I found this sort of like wooden mail holder, I'm assuming, at an estate sale for 50 cents. So I'm going to give it a makeover. So I'm taking this chalk paint by Folk Art. It's in the color French Linen. And I'm going to give it about 2 to 3 coats. So I tried my best to recreate the metal post boxes you see at Hobby Lobby and Michael's, how it says post and then has the bird with the wreath at the bottom. This is what I came up with. I'll link it down below if you're interested, but I just printed it out onto some vinyl using my Cricut machine. So here's the final result. I did go ahead and stage these items just so you can see them up close because none of them have a spot in my home yet, but I will be using them. So on to the second project. I found this adorable mini-sized clock. It's only about 7 or 8 inches, but I just didn't like the orangish wood color. So I'm going to remove the face, that way I don't have to worry about taping anything off. And I'm going to mix together a really pretty paint color and give it a makeover. I have seen a lot of people use the paint you're going to see me using. I'm taking Moss and Ivory by Waverly, and then I'm just going to mix them together to create a sort of lighter sage. And I think this color is absolutely beautiful. So of course I went back in with my sanding block and distressed around the edges and curves. I just think that adds really great detail and I love distressing things. So once I put the clock face back in, this is how it turned out. I think this is so cute. I think I'm going to start picking these up more and give them all makeovers because this was so fun. This last piece I found at the thrift store for I think $1.99. I think it probably came from Walmart or Hobby Lobby in the craft section where they just have their unfinished wood pieces, but I'm going to be using it to hold coffee filters. So I took my ivory paint and I gave it I think 2 or 3 coats. I do want to really quickly talk about the brushes that I've been using on these projects. This one you see here and then that bigger round one in the beginning. I got both of these at Walmart. They're by Waverly and they came in a 2-pack for $10 and some change. I saw Thrilled Thrifter, she has a channel and she was doing some projects where she was using these brushes, and I have to say they're freaking amazing. I'm always looking for affordable brushes that work really well, so I highly recommend these. I will link them down below just so you know which ones I'm talking about. They do have a bigger one as well for I think 12 something. So for the top, I wanted to just stain it and then paint the knob white to match the bottom. So I'm taking my favorite stain in dark walnut, and that's what I'm going to do here. So I made another printable that says coffee roasted daily 5 cents. I'll link that down below as well. And this is how it turned out. That's it for these projects. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Be sure to like it if you did. Leave me a comment down below and subscribe for more content. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!